Tom's windy day. Words for today: cap, wind, run, help, and smile. It was a sunny afternoon. Tom was walking in the park. He was wearing his favorite cap. It was red. His mother gave it to him. Suddenly, a strong wind blew through the trees. Tom's cap flew off his head and into the air. He began to run after it. The cap rolled down the path and into the grass. Tom ran as fast as he could. But the wind pushed the cap farther away. A young girl nearby saw what happened. She picked up the cap and waved to Tom. "Is this yours?" she asked. Tom nodded and smiled. "Thanks for your help," he said. The girl gave the cap back to him. Tom gave a big smile. It was a windy day. But Tom was happy. His favorite cap was safe. Thanks for listening. We'll have another story for you very soon.